IPTV Smarters is a super popular app that is used all over the world to watch live content and video on demand. However, there are a few common questions you probably want answered before you start using it. What services can be used on this app? How do you set it up on your device? What is the real difference between the Pro and the Lite version? And lastly, is it actually legal? On TechVibes, I help users like you save money on streaming and optimize your favorite devices. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button right down below. IPTV Smarters is essentially just a media player. It allows you to watch live content and video on demand while offering a ton of other features. Think of it as a universal app that any service or user can utilize. It comes in two main versions, which are Smarters Pro and Smarters Lite. The major differences between the two are just some technical features like DVR and a more robust guide. Deciding which one to use might make a difference in your device performance. The Lite version is a better choice if you are using a lower performing device. Because it has fewer features, it makes it easier for that device to run smoothly. This is one of those times where the Pro version might actually not be the best fit for you. A common question I get at TechVibes is whether this app is actually legal. It can be pretty confusing for new users. IPTV Smarters is often associated with third-party services. Yet at the same time, it is available in major stores like the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. It even shows up in the Fire TV App Store occasionally. The reason for this is because it follows a similar model to other popular apps like Kodi. Instead of being an app that provides direct links to content, it acts as a shell. It is a media player at the end of the day. It is a shell app that any service could use, including completely legal ones. So how do you go about installing it? That part is actually quite easy. For your phone, go to the Apple App Store and type in IPTV Smarters. Try to select the official version from the list. You will see a lot of clones, but typically the higher ranked ones are what you want. On your Nvidia Shield or your Android TV box, go to the Google Play Store. Look up the app and download it directly. But for the Amazon App Store, things get a bit trickier. Amazon is very picky about what they allow into their store. They do not even host Kodi, so you have to install that from a file. Similarly, when you look up this app, you may find a version that is no longer available. In some cases, you will see apps trying to trick the system with extra spaces in the name. To install this on your Fire TV device, start by going to Settings. Select My Fire TV and click on About. Press on your device name 5 to 7 times until it says you are a developer. From here, go to the official store and install a web browser called Downloader. Once that is installed, head back to My Fire TV and find Developer Options. Click on Install Unknown Apps. Make sure Downloader is turned on to save yourself a step later. Now open Downloader and go to the Browser section. Type in the code 773820. This will take you to a page where you can find various downloads. Scroll down to the Fire TV section and find IPTV Smarters. Click on it and press the big download button to install your app. Now that you have it, there are two methods to start using your services. Upon opening the app for the first time, it will ask for your device type. You can choose either TV or mobile. This should be a simple choice based on what you are using. It will automatically adjust the interface to fit your screen. When you open it, you will see a long disclaimer that you have to agree to. It basically states that you are responsible for anything used through the app. They claim they only allow content that is legally obtained and owned by you. This puts all the responsibility on the end user. This is very common with apps like Kodi or other media players. Once you are ready, you will see two main options to get set up. The first one is Extreme Codes. This is a management system where you can use logins and passwords. Typically, if a service does not use a playlist link, this is the option they provide. Give the service a name, then type in your username and password. Input the provided URL and you are good to add your playlist. A cool feature I like is that you can connect a VPN directly through the app. This means it will continuously run through the server you select. I highly suggest using a VPN to help mask your IP address. It adds a layer of privacy to your information while streaming. The second option is an M3U playlist. These are essentially text files that include the locations of video and audio files. You can also log in through a mobile app to set this up. Type in the playlist name and choose the correct URL or file. Add your playlist and you are ready to get started. The app is also working on integrating other portal methods soon. Lastly, you can also play your own local files from your device storage, should you use this app. At the end of the day, that is entirely up to you. It is a completely legal app, but how you use it is what matters. My goal here at TechVibes is just to keep you educated on the options. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this, please like the video. Subscribe to TechVibes for more content like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions.